Hey, welcome back to One Seed, One World. I'm going to do another quick video today in the kitchen to show you how to make some peach ice cream. Now to make this you will need an ice cream maker. I don't think it really matters what brand. I used a Cuisinart. I don't know what model it is, but this is the one I used. And within 25 minutes of adding my ingredients, I have ice cream, or soft serve ice cream. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to make this stuff. But this was made with peaches from our tree, which has since fallen down. But I had some in the freezer that I thawed out and made this ice cream with. So good, so good. And I made some sugar cookies this morning. Actually, I made some earlier this week too, or over the weekend, but I ate all those already. So add a sugar cookie to your ice cream. The peach ice cream goes together really well. And I'll tell you what, if you ever want to get back at your kids who are now grown and have kids of their own, and you are now the grandparent watching the grandkids, go ahead and make some of this peach ice cream, some sugar cookies, and feed this to them about 20 minutes before you send them home. Anyway, here's your recipe. Hope you make it. Hope you enjoy it. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again soon.